How to use character jitter for After Effects motion graphics. If you are looking to add a lively touch to your text animations in Adobe After Effects, character jitter is a fantastic technique to consider. It brings a sense of energy and movement to your text, making it feel more dynamic and engaging. So, how do you achieve this effect? Let's break it down step by step. First, you will want to create your text layer in Adobe After Effects. This is the foundation of your animation. Once you have your text in place, the next step is to apply the Animator feature specifically designed for text animation. This feature allows you to manipulate various properties of your text. Now you can choose a property to animate. Position and rotation are popular choices for creating character jitter. After selecting a property, you will need to add an expression to introduce randomness. The wiggle function is perfect for this. For example, if you apply wiggle, frequency, amount to the position property, each character will move randomly within the limits you set. To control the intensity of the jitter, you can adjust two key parameters, frequency and amount. Frequency determines how often the movement occurs, while amount defines how far the characters will move. By tweaking these settings, you can achieve the exact level of jitter you want. Another useful tool is the Range Selector. This allows you to control which characters jitter and when. You can create staggered or sequential jittering effects, adding even more personality to your text. If you want to get a bit more creative, you can also use the puppet tool or displacement maps for more complex jitter effects. However, for most text animations, using the Animator with wiggle expressions is the simplest and most effective method. Character jitter is particularly useful in motion graphics for titles or any text elements that need to stand out. It can simulate a hand-drawn look or simply add a fun twist to your animations. This technique helps break the static feel of text, making your projects feel more organic and engaging. To summarize the steps: 1. Create a text layer. 2. Add a text animator and choose a property like position or rotation. 3. Add an expression using wiggle to that property to create random movement. 4. Adjust frequency and amount parameters to control jitter intensity. 5. Use Range Selector to animate jitter across characters as desired. By following these steps, you can easily master character jitter in Adobe After Effects, making your motion graphics projects more lively and visually appealing.